You won't believe the day I've had. Jennifer cornered me about our product launch strategy. I filled her in on the brand refresh Sarah and I are working on. She seemed on board at first, especially when I brought up targeting millennials. You should have seen her nodding along, talking about their buying power. But then things got sticky. I pointed out our branding misses, and suddenly she's all cautious. Started going on about not wanting to alienate our current customers. I mean, come on. If we don't appeal to the younger crowd, we're toast. At least we agree our brand needs work. I tried explaining it's not about scrapping everything, just staying competitive. But Jennifer's hung up on our quality reputation, as if we can't have both. I suggested a group meeting, and you'd think I'd asked her to move mountains. She wanted in on my chat with Sarah this afternoon, but surprise, surprise, she's busy. Then she asks if we can move it earlier. Coordinating schedules here is like herding cats, I swear. Now I've got to check with Sarah about rescheduling. Don't get me wrong. I value Jennifer's input, but sometimes I think she's missing the bigger picture. We need to shake things up to stay relevant. Try telling that to someone who thinks change is a dirty word. That's corporate life for you. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. But mark my words, we're going to turn this ship around whether Jennifer's fully on board or not. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a meeting to reschedule and a strategy to salvage. Who knew marketing could be such a minefield?